Hey everyone, welcome back to Teach Me Now. Today's topic is based on Euclidean geometry, grade 11 and 12. So without waste of time, let's go to our statement. 10.2. PQR is a tangent, right? So when I see the term tangent, I think of a term called theorem, right? So now we need to check if we can find a term called theorem. So here's our chord there. That's correct. Here's an angle. And then here's our tangent, right? So the angle between the chord and the tangent is equals to that angle opposite to our chord, right? That's good. So now 10.2.1, calculate Q1. So Q1, let me just write 10.2.1. Q1 is equals to 70 degrees. The reason, tan chord. Tan chord theorem. Then as from there, so we're done finding Q1. Now 10.2.2 prove that C is equals to 110. Okay, let's go back to the statement. They said AB is parallel to QD, right? When I see parallel lines, I think of Fan method, right? I think of Fan, where F has to do with corresponding angles, U for co-interior, and then N for alternating angles, right? So we need to find F, U, or N from our sketch. So if we go back to our rad, we have Z there, the Z, right? Which makes A1 to equals to 70, right? That's good. So we can now say A1 is equals to D3, which is equals to 70, right? And the reason, alternating angles. Alternating angles because AB is parallel to QD. That's good. And then as from there, but if you can check B, A, D, as well as C, they form a cyclic quad. They form a cyclic quad, right? So with that being said, we can conclude and say A1 plus C is equals to 108 interior opposite angles of a cyclic quad. So we can say A1, okay, that's 10.2.2. A1 plus C equals to 180 degrees. The reason, interior opposite angles opposite angles of a cyclic quad. That's good. And then for A1 we have 70 already. 70 degrees plus C equals to 180 degrees. Then C is equals to, now we transpose 70 and we have 180 minus 70 and we get 110. So C is equals to 110. Proven. So we've proven that C is equals to 110. Now we need to calculate B1. So if we can consider Q2 and B1, those are interior opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Which cyclic quad? BA, Q, E, go back to what? To B again. So, but another thing that we need to consider before we continue is the fact that Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 equals to 180 degrees, right? So now we can say Q2 is equals to 80 degrees, right? And the reason angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line, right? Because that one there is 70 degrees. We have 30, 70 plus 30, we get 100. Then 180 minus that 100, we get 80 there, right? Hence I said Q2 is equals to 80, right? But now B1 and Q2, those are opposite interior angles of a cyclic quad, right? So we can now say, okay, B1 plus Q2 B1 plus Q2 is equals to 180 is equals to 180 degrees. Is equals to 180 degrees. The reason interior opposite angles of the cyclic quad. Of the cyclic quad. Right? And then as from the our Q2 is equals to 70. Our Q2 is equals to 80. Sorry about that. 80 degrees equals to 180. Then there's B1 plus 8. Then we transpose 80, and then we end up getting B1 is 100. End up getting B1 as 100 degrees. So we got our B1 as 100, right? This is your tutor from Teach Me Now, signing out.